Hello there, Algebra 1A, and welcome to Lesson 1.4, Writing Equations and Inequalities. Here is the vocabulary for the lesson. Go ahead and pause this and write that down if you need to. An open sentence we're dealing with today is an equation or inequality with an algebraic expression. An equation, simply put, has an equal sign. An inequality has an inequality sign, which are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And basically we have solutions of equations. There are one solution in that case, and solutions of inequalities. So write that down, pause, and then return. Do not worry about this box here. There's some errors, so we're going to skip right to the examples. Okay, write an equation or an inequality from the verbal sentence. The sum of 3 times a number. I have some things highlighted here. Remember that sum means addition. 3 times a number a means we have a variable a, and 4 is an extra bit of number. When we see the word is means equal to. So we know it's going to be equal to 25. That's the easy part. The other part we have to figure out is how to combine sum 3 times a number. 3 times a number a plus 4 is what this equation is. We're adding 3 times a number and 4 together, combining those two. Quotient of a number x and 4 is fewer than 10. So in this case, fewer than 10 means less than 10, and the quotient of a number in x means we have some number x over 4. So less than or fewer than is less than. A number n is greater than 6. So this time n is greater than 6, but it's also less than 12. This one can be helpful to think about on a number line. If we have a number line and we consider 6, then we have things like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, the number is between there somewhere, which means 12 is less than n, which is less than 6. So that is another way to represent. We call that a compound inequality. Okay. Checking for possible solutions. In this case, check whether 2 is a solution of the equation or inequality. We have some more funky things going on here, so I will help you with this here. Basically, though, we're checking whether 2 is a solution. Okay? So when you are checking solutions, you are substituting 2 in for x. And that's what's going on here. And they're asking, is it equal? Is that true? Is this true? And you can simply use your calculator and take 7 times 2 minus 8. See if you get 9. You get 6. And, well, 6 is not 9. So since 6 is not equal to 9, not a solution. So it's kind of fun. You're just checking to see if things are solutions. Once again, we're checking to see if 2 is a solution for this expression. So 4 plus 5 times 2. Is that less than 18? So is 14 less than 18? And, well, certainly. So, yes, it is a solution. In this case here, we are going to, let's change this to greater than, okay, or equal to. Greater than or equal to. So, 6 times 2 is 12 minus 9. Is that greater than or equal to 2? Well, 12 minus 9 is 3. Greater than And yes, 3 is greater than. So in that case, yes, it is. Okay? So for these ones, just worry about 1 and 2. 3, you can skip that one. It's got a typo. And plug those numbers in to see if they are solutions or not. I'll let you pause, and I'll go through them. Okay, so 1 and 2 are both solutions. Be careful with number 2. That's 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So you're taking 25 minus 5 to get 20. 20 is certainly greater than 10. Using mental math, now you can use a calculator. It's really not a big deal. But when you're solving equations like this, you want to think, what number plus 6, in this case, equals 11? So n, we're thinking what? What number? So what number plus 6 equals 11? Well, 4 plus 6 is 10. So let's try out 5. And 5 plus 6 equals 11? Sure. Okay. 8 minus x. So, or 18. So 18 minus what? Is 10. Well, 18 minus 8 is 10. So the solution's 8. 7 times what? Is 56. Well, you may not know your multiplication tables, but try something out. Try 7 times 9. Well, that's 63. So 7 times 8? Oh, what do you know? So the solution's 8 again. 7 times 8. And b divided by 11 equals 3. So what divided by 11 equals 3? Well, 33 divided by 11 equals 3. So that would be your solution there. Okay. Try using mental math and solve these ones. What plus 9 is 14? Well, 5 plus 9 is 14. So 5 is the solution. 5 times t minus 4. So what times 5 minus 4 is 11? What times 5 minus 4 is 11? Well, 5 times 3 is 15 minus 4 makes 11 equal 11. So 3 is the solution. What divided by 4 is 15? That one might be trickier for you. If we think of 60 over 4, that equals 15. Again, mental math may not be your strong suit. Still, try out 1.4, the odds on that practice.